In this video, I am going to show you how to watch live football on YouTube TV with Verizon. If you're a Verizon customer wondering how to combine your services for the best streaming experience, this guide will help you out. Let's get started. If you're using Verizon Internet or are a Verizon wireless customer, you can easily stream live football on YouTube TV by ensuring your internet connection is stable and fast enough to support streaming. Start by signing up for YouTube TV at tv.youtube.com if you haven't already. Verizon customers may also qualify for special offers, such as discounts or promotions, when bundling YouTube TV with their existing Verizon services. Check Verizon's website or contact their support team for details. Once your YouTube TV subscription is active, download the YouTube TV app on your preferred device, such as a smart TV, streaming stick, or tablet. Log into the app and browse the channel lineup to find the game you want to watch, such as ESPN, Fox, CBS, or NBC. If you're using a Verizon 5G-enabled device, you can enjoy even faster streaming speeds for an uninterrupted experience. If this video helped you learn how to watch live football on YouTube TV with Verizon, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.